Okay, so the chicken's done, the bacon's done, the chili's done, and now we got everything that we need to make chicken tacos. So we're gonna take some chicken, and it's very, very flaky. Put it in there. Make sure we get enough meat in there. And we'll do it with the second one. Yep. Get enough meat in there. Okay. It's nice and crispy, which is going to be good with a hard shell. Okay. So then, let's see, what are we going to put on next? I think we should put some salsa sauce on. Some salsa. Yep. And then we're going to put on some sour cream. Yeah, we should put some sour cream on. Okay. Got another spoon for that. Sour cream on. Oh, the packaging's in the way. Sometimes it's hard to see. Looks like invisible. Yeah, I'll put some sour cream on. I want to get it on both sides. Okay. This is going to taste really good. Sour cream. Okay. Put the sour cream. So we got the salsa, we got the sour cream, chicken. We need cheese, chili, bacon. Okay. So get our cheese. Trust me, these are going to be good. Yep. Get our cheese. I know I'll have to clean this up after, but it's going to be worth it. So get our cheese. And we got to get our bacon. Nice slice of bacon in there. I always put bacon on everything, it seems like. And then, get in there. Delicious bacon. So good. Get in there. And then we gotta do our chili. Chili. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I'm getting a bit of a mess. I'll have to clean it up. And then, of course, it wouldn't be complete without some of this. But make sure that the lid is open. And if we really want to take it to the next level of heat, we put this on it. Oh, I can smell it already. Look at that. Just a bit though. Okay. And then there you have it. Look at that. Gotta use hard shells for this. Look at that. Spicy chicken taco.